couldn't be no drugs because me throw it on me for me younger and a piece of grab. I mean not add no chemical, hey. Juvenile and them say what's that in your palm? I told them it's a medicine to keep my nerves calm. It couldn't be no drugs because me throw it on me for me younger and a piece of grab. I mean not add no chemical, hey. Are you high sound? Gonna put it on the wax, hey. Babylon Carell me block, hey. I be a question them a ask. Me hear them say, hey Juvenile and them say what's that in your palm? I told them it's a medicine to keep my nerves calm. It couldn't be no drugs because me throw it on me for me younger add a piece of grab. I mean not add no chemical.
Tell me your name again?
Howard Smith.
And you're a craftsman.
Yeah, craftsman.
Are you a mechanic too? I saw that you said you want to be a mechanic.
I would like to be a mechanic. I know little about mechanic. I do like manual, fixed bike and those things. Yeah, and like Toyota Jeep 6-cylinder. Might be I can do a little about it, like drop the engine and little minor parts, might be I can do it. But I'm not really a prof on it. Yeah man, I'm going to photocopy it. If I know I bring my Marcus Garvey picture and show you. A lot of things. Might be if you're done, might be we can have a walk around my home. Oh, who tell you that? Paul. This is Howard home. Then you're going to open it and then you video at front. You can video my little farm. Yeah. This is a papaya.
Oh
Papaya
yeah?
tree. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah man, it's bearing now.
Whoa.
And that
Papaya?
is the papaya. And that is the plantain.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, nice. To make
Yeah,
porridge and fry and it's right.
I've had those.
Yeah. And this is the aloe vera.
Oh,
Good
yeah.
for you. You can eat it. One, you can get one.
all right.
Yeah, no problem. When I finish it, then I cut it off and give
Okay,
it.
thanks.
Okay.
Ooh, look at the flower garden.
How long have you lived here?
About 3 years now. I was living over there and I moved, come over here. Okay, I'm going to let you video from the front part. You can video from the back part, no problem. You can video you inside here. Come on.
Wow.
Yeah, you can video here.
Wow, this is nice.
Yeah,
Is that your address right there?
this is my name.
What's
Used to
the
be my
number?
long time number, but it's not using again. I have to get it out. Yeah, see my stuff them here?
Sorry, I stepped on those. Oh wow, your stash.
Yeah. I'm going to show you some nice roots watermelon. These are roots. You see that thing out there? What's called the noni? I made this from the noni.
Oh, no.
What is it? Root?
Yeah.
Juice?
Roots. Oh no, right here. Yeah. It's all the roots.